Ready for your first bath? You know? You know? You ready? Let me turn it the other way. Oh, what's that? What's that? Does that feel good? No? The heck no? The heck no? I don't like this. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, go this way so you get her face a little bit. There you go. You know I don't like this at all. What's going on here? You can back up a little bit so they can see Oliver. Can you get Oliver? Are you getting Oliver in there?
I'm getting Oliver.
How you doing, Prue? Are you hanging in there? You got a thick coat. You got a thick coat. Yes, you do. Say help, Mommy. I'm not liking it. I can't get away though. She's got big hands. You holding on for dear life, huh? You holding on for dear life? Are you getting her?
Yeah.
You ready? You get your tail. Bless you. God bless you. Here, get your back. Get your butt. I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. You can get like the whole body.
I am.
Hey, look at that. Look how tiny. You're now like a little chihuahua. You ready? There, you smell so pretty now. You smell so pretty now. Are you frozen in that position? Are you frozen in that position? You gotta lift your chin up. There you go. It's not so bad, eh? It's not so bad. It's not so bad. Do it from the side so they get her body. There you go.
It was getting her body, Matt.
See, it's my first real bath, and I'm not sure what I think about it. Oh, she's got thick hair. Get it. Get all that soap out. Tiny little girl. You don't like that at all? Get that head a little bit. Gently on. There you go. There you go. Say help. I can't get away. Help. Squish out your fur. Like a towel. Look how big them ears look now.
I know.
Say help. Help. I'm not liking it. Okay.
Oh.
Ooh. See, that was a rough. That's rough. You did really good, Prue. You did really good.